it's a sewing day today. I have 2 shirts that I want to work with. I might do more after, we'll see. I did a little sketch, so I kind of want, I'll show you the fabric first. So we have this shirt. I will most likely not be salvaging this dinosaur. It's like, look at it, it's flaking. If it was embroidered, I would have kept it for something, but like, I'm probably just gonna donate the dinosaur to Valley Village because there's no way I'm using that. Like, I keep all my extra fabrics because I can like make clothes for my dolls, I can add patches to other clothes, but like ugly little designs like that I'm just not keeping. And this shirt is from my boyfriend. He gave me a bag of all his ugly clothes that he wanted me to either upcycle or donate. So I think I'm gonna make something out of this. For the pink one, I kind of want to make, I'll see if it'll end up being a dress or a top. If it's a dress, it can also be worn as a top. So I kind of want it to be a dress because then it's more versatile. We'll see how much fabric I have, but that's kind of the vision. So we'll see how it looks. And then this other drawing, I have a very similar drawing that I had already drawn that's like similar to the shirt, but the neckline is different here, and I want to test out. So I don't do like patterns and stuff like that, but I made a like pattern block of like a bodice to kind of like make different designs with, and I drew out a little cup pattern. So I want to like use that and see if I like doing that, because I definitely need to be a little bit more technical when I sew, because I'll just kind of have a vision in my head and I'll literally take my scissors and start cutting, and then I put it on me and I have to adjust it, and sometimes I cut too much and it's like hard to adjust it, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the vision. The cartoon of choice for the day is Winx Club. So I have Winx Club playing over here on my iPad. I sewed the top part to the bottom part, and I made little straps which I just sewed on. Now I'm gonna have to work on these straps, which are going to go around the back of the top. And then all I'm gonna have left to do is make this a lettuce hem. Here's the top so far. I did make a mistake and I realized it while sewing on the back straps, but see how this goes out? It would have made more sense if I connected these straps to that part, because then it would have, you know, made sense. So now I have 2 options. I can take these straps out and sew them back on, but on here, or I can fold this over and sew it. The only thing is the hemline is gonna look bad because I wouldn't start from here, I'd start from somewhere there, and anyways. So I'm gonna have to figure that out right now. And then the last thing I'm gonna have to do is lettuce trim on the bottom, and I kind of want to add a charm right here. Here is the top. I might make these in like different colors to sell. I feel like people might like this for the summer. Guys, so far the only top I made is this one, and the whole day went by, so I probably have time to maybe make like one more thing before I'm actually really tired and just want to lay in my bed. Guys, I keep doing this to myself. I love this on me way too much. I can't sell it. I literally put this on and it healed my inner child. This is such a Stella from Winx Club top. I just can't get rid of it. Oh my god. Maybe I'll change my mind by tomorrow, but I don't think so. Like, I put it on and I was like, it's okay. I'll make more to sell. But you guys, I need to start making some money back. I love fashion and shopping so much to the point that's making me broke. So I might as well try to make a bit of money back, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is the top. If you guys want to shop these, like, by the time I post this, I should have a few colors, a few sizes. I love them. I love making them. They're so gorgeous. So if you're interested, you can check out my website to find them. If you guys watched Winx Club, like, let me know. Like, does this not remind you of the Winx girls? I don't know. I add a lettuce hem on anything and I'm like, it's a Winx Club. But the yellow too, like, oh my god. I have some blue fabric from like an old shirt I had already cut up. So if I have enough, I could make a blue one, and that could be like a bloom top, you know? But yeah, this is the second top. So I made this and I made the brown one. I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna have, actually I was gonna say I'm gonna have a snack. No, I'm gonna have dinner. I'm hungry. It's like 11 p.m. right now. I've been sewing for hours and I only made 2 tops. That's why, like, whenever you see something like that's like listed that you can buy that's handmade, just think like how long it took for the person to make it, if ever you're questioning why some pieces are expensive. So yeah, time and the materials. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here because the day's ending. So thank you for watching, angels, and if you want more sewing videos, let me know. And if you do want to watch more sewing videos, I have a playlist, you can check that out. I do plan on making more of these. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.